morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Guys, not long ago, we were working on the ATV project. I kind of gave you guys an update in a previous video. And then Bobby and I took the entire engine, revamped a few things, and well, we got it back together. So today is literally D-Day. What we're actually going to do is we're going to top off the fluids. The ATV has had time to set up now. So we're going to top off the fluids. We're going to add our oil, some fuel, hook up the battery, and see if we've resolved our starter problems. Honestly, guys, I have not pre-tested this. I have not pre-checked this. This is Bubba's Garage. I do the best that I can with what I have, and right now we're gonna find out right here today, live, you and me, if this little fella is gonna start. All right, we got all our fluids lined up. I'm gonna prime this little fella, and then we are gonna try to start it. Now again, like I said, this is Bubba's Garage. You're gonna see this live as well. So honestly, guys, if you are the praying kind, you might want to pray right now, because I really don't know what I'm doing, and I really need this thing to start. And well, I mean, it doesn't have to run. It just needs to turn over. That's kind of where we started, is to make it turn over. So I'll press that a couple of times. We're gonna go ahead and turn our key on. And we got a red light. Oh, red light went off. We're in neutral. Crap. Are you ready? I'm scared. That's a good sign. I mean, okay, hold on a minute. Let's talk about that. I mean, that doesn't seem exciting to you, but it's exciting to me, and I'll tell you why. Because the whole thing started with the fact that that starter wouldn't turn over, and we had to rip the whole engine out. It's a whole nother story. Definitely check the eye in the sky if you haven't, but that's huge to me. I'm sorry, I'm excited. Hey, I'm excited. That's Bobby behind the camera. So. Oh, you know what? It might help if you pull the dead gum choke. I'm a little excited. When it hits you, when it hits you, yes. I mean, the car's dry. I want to run my battery in. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it is a new carb, so it's probably going to require some adjustments, but it should. What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? All right, guys, so we monkeyed around with this thing for about an hour and a half. We can get it started if we prime it, but other than that, it won't stay running. I believe we might still have a carburetor problem, but keep in mind, the carburetor is brand new, but it's been sitting for about a year, so I think that float might be stuck. I'm not really sure, but we're so dadgum close, I just can't seem to give up. So I'm going to pull the air box, and then after we pull the air box, we're going to take a look at the bottom of that carburetor and hope for the best. But it should be fairly simple. We're freaking close. 3, do it! All right, we got our carburetor out. The good thing is I had the old carburetor I was able to compare some things to. The float is not stuck. The float is actually looking really good, but we did put some cleaner up in the lines and clean it out. It wasn't dripping into the bowl whatsoever. So now it looks like it might be dripping, so we're gonna button it back up. I'm gonna see if I can't just add a little bit of fuel into my bowl in advance so that we don't have to wait for it to kind of fill the bowl to get started. So I'm gonna button this back up. We're gonna install it back in the four-wheeler and hope for the best. Again, this is Bubba's Garage. I know I've said this 3,000 times. We are no pros, doing the best I can with what I have, and honestly, Google helps out quite a bit. We did get the four-wheeler running. We got our carburetor nice and cleaned up. We got fuel coming to it. The engine does start, however, we can't keep it running. Right now the battery is starting to run dead, so we're going to put it on the charger. We're going to let that charge up. Plus, the starter is kind of getting hot, so we want to give that a little bit of rest. Here in an upcoming episode, in another week probably, we're going to come back out, see if we can't get this to stay running, do some fine-tuning adjustments on that carburetor. And guys, like I said, I'm not a pro with these carburetors. I hate them, to be honest with you. They're just so touchy and so finicky. If you have any comments or suggestions on what adjustments I should look at making on the carburetor, definitely let me know. But right now I'm going to wrap up this video. Guys, if you like this video, do me a favor, give us a huge thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to find out what happens next right here on Bubba's Garage, please subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Good night, everybody.